we definitely see a lot of knife injuries. If your kid is going to be in the kitchen helping with food preparation, there's lots of child safe devices out there that kids can use in the kitchen. I would recommend, if you're wanting to involve them in food preparation, that you make an investment in some tools that are safe for kids. And even with that, always need to be directly supervising them, because it's so easy. Adults know this. It's so easy to look up and not be paying attention and have that knife slip, and end up cutting your hand or finger. If you are doing food preparation in the kitchen, and you've got knives on the counter because you were chopping up some vegetables or something, make sure that that knife is secured when you're not using it, away from the edge of the counter. Very dangerous to have the knife sitting on the edge of like a cutting board or the edge of a counter, within arm's reach, again, just like those pot handles, within arm's reach of a child, where they could knock it over, or it could get bumped and fall on the floor, fall into somebody's foot. Keep those knives back away from the edge of the counter, or better, go ahead and clean it off and put it away.